What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Guys, all of my people that are returning, that know who I am, man, welcome back. To everybody that's new, what's poppin'? What's up, man? I'm just so happy that you're here. And if you're watching this, you're probably here because you want to know what my thoughts are on Walmart Seller Central. I made a couple live videos of me listing products, shipping products, and how I showed how I made and got orders very quickly. And this video is going to be for full transparency because not a lot of people know you can sell on Walmart.com. Not a lot of people also understand the benefits and the cons, the pros, the cons. When I first got started, I didn't really know anything because I was a part of like this early starter program, and it was just tremendously horrible. My first experience with Walmart was a very unorganized platform that wanted to bring the Amazon way to their sector, to their platform. Because see, what a lot of people don't realize is Amazon makes a lot of money having people sell products on their website. And I think Walmart wanted to actually initiate and start because they understood that they were missing out on this sector of the business. And I was one of the first people that I knew to start selling on Walmart.com. I'll never forget it. I registered my business, like my official Connect business and my business that I actually have stores for in Philadelphia. And we started to list, right? And I remember having trouble listing because they wouldn't let you just list anything. You had to have the UPC. A lot of these products, like the products that I have around me, some of them have a UPC, okay? And some of them don't. Some of them, it's going to be hard for me to find one that don't, ain't it? Because all of these have it, right? But some of them don't. Like, right now, yes, everyone does, I see, huh? All right, y'all trying to make me look old up now. They trying to make me look like a nut. Okay, there we go. Like the MagSafe case, right? Make sure I don't look crazy. This doesn't have a UPC on it, right? It doesn't have one, but it is a MagSafe charger for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And it looks like this, right? But I wouldn't have been able to list it because it didn't have a UPC. So what I did was I went to try and create one, right? And I could create one. I did, and it still didn't work. I would contact customer care. It kept getting errors every time I tried to list, but it wouldn't tell you what the error was. It was just like so hard. You had to contact customer care. Not to mention, it took a day for you to get products published. So when you listed or wanted to list 10 products, those 10 products would never go live the day of. They will always go live the next day. So you could already imagine. I was making money there, but it was more so I was drop shipping on there and I was doing products for my store, but it was just too much of a hassle, not clear communication, horrible customer service. So when I got this invite to join Walmart Seller Central again and to review it, I was hesitant. I didn't really want to do it because of my experience. Now, I only explain this because it's a lot of us that have bad experiences with a lot of these selling platforms, and then we sort of kind of shun them away. We don't even want to work with them anymore, and we think nothing but ill will towards them when they do improve, right? Like they do have times where they improve and they get better and maybe deserve a second chance. So I ended up going probably 2 weeks ago on Walmart Seller Central to attempt to start again. I got 3 orders the first day, second day 6 orders, third day 9 orders. They were coming fast, and a lot of the orders I was getting were of the magnetic wireless charger. No, not magnetic, just a wireless charging pad, and that was selling really well, so well that I ran out of stock, and I was able to gross a good amount of money. Now, here's the thing: when they went out of stock, I kept getting orders. So I ended up saying, you know what, I don't want to get a bad seller's rating, so I'm going to cancel some of these orders. and I ended up canceling a few orders that I already shipped because they don't automatically go to a shipped sector of the platform. Even when you ship them, they still show unshipped unless you mark shipped, which is pretty annoying. So that kind of messed me up. And that's something that I would warn people to watch out for is, yes, Walmart Seller Central, while it does now have faster publishing features where you don't even have to literally put a picture, you don't have to put a description, it does it all for you. You're literally just saying, I want to sell this, and if it's on Walmart.com, they list it for you. So that's really good. But when it comes to the communication of, oh, snap, like I made a mistake, or I'm having a problem with an order, that's where I still find there to be slow communication, which you don't really want, because then that limits you on how much money you can make, right? Like, you're not going to make the most amount of money if you can't resolve customer issues, because customer issues are going to come. So that was really a wake-up call for me. The other thing I didn't really like about Walmart Seller Central is the deposits. They make you go through you only get two choices, Pioneer and then another choice. And those choices both suck. Okay, they suck. And the transfer process is pretty crappy. I believe it's 22, they take like 22% of your money. I didn't like that. Now, they need to adapt to the Mercari way where it's no seller's fees. But I understand they got to stay profitable. But the things that I did like about Walmart really outweigh the things I didn't, right? And why should you start selling on Walmart Seller Central if you haven't already? One, because it requires you to have your business. You can't sign up if you don't have a registered business. Make sure you get the EIN and register with your state. It's not hard, and sometimes it does cost money. In Philadelphia, it costs $125. It's not a lot of money if you're taking something serious. And I like putting money down to register for my business, because now that I put $125 down, I'm definitely going to make sure I'm making my money back. You feel me? So that's how I thought of it. And that's how I think a lot of beginners should think of it. Like, hey, I put this amount of money into this. I'm not going back. Like, I'm gonna just get this shit done. You feel me? Like, I'm gonna do it. So it requires you to have a registered business. I like that. Then it also makes you aware of sales, of course, that you get. But you're on a bigger platform. You're on a bigger platform, in my opinion, than eBay and Amazon put together. Now, I may be completely, now I think about it, wrong, because Amazon's everywhere but Walmart isn't. But on the East Coast, Walmart's pretty big. And Walmart is something that everybody knows about, Wally World, right? And I believe they're expanding. And they're on the West Coast too. Because when I lived in Cali, I was going to Walmart. So there might be Walmart, it might be Amazon, and then it might be Walmart, and Walmart like right there. You know what I mean? So I really, really enjoy Walmart.com in that sense that, like, hey, listen, I'm gonna get a sale regardless. Like, you buy a product box with all of this in it, all this is gonna sell eventually. You know what I mean? Because you have so many people going to Walmart.com and ordering. Another thing I like is you have 2 days to ship. I like that. You know, I don't think that that's bad at all. I think that is actually good. I also like the fact that they do the posting for you. If you're somebody that works and you're always busy working, guess what? Walmart.com is going to hopefully have a product you're trying to sell, and you can just extract all that information by literally just typing in what you're trying to sell on the Walmart Seller Central dashboard, and then it will just list it for you. All you do is set the price, set the quantity. So that's really cool. And I think that is something that puts over Amazon. And also, speaking of Amazon, Amazon still makes you put the UPCs and the CPNs and all that, right? One thing I really do like is the fact that, unlike TikTok Shop, Amazon, there's no crazy restrictions. No crazy restrictions. Like, there's no like, oh, well, you can only sell electronics if you take a picture of the certificate. Like, there's none of that. I like simple, okay? I want to be able to list, go about my day, see the sales go, and then boom, boom, bang. That's what I like. You feel me? So I like the fact that Walmart Seller Central does that. And one thing I will say is I will continue to do videos on Walmart Seller Central. I invite you guys to join the Discord and ask me questions about Walmart Seller Central. That's here to stay for right now. So definitely hop on that trend, get on Walmart Seller Central, and make sure you guys sign up. I'll have more videos coming, but thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys listening to me ramble about Walmart Seller Central, and I hope that you take advantage of it, and I hope that you make money with it. Let me know. I'm always here. Follow me at Educated__Hustler for my personal page, and Hustler Taught Me for my business page on Instagram. And I will see you guys at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. Peace.